4 habits are secretly destroying your brain speed right now, without you even realizing it. You think you're living normally, but your mind is actually running in slow motion. Scientists discovered that millions of people unknowingly sabotage their mental performance every single day. The scariest part? These habits feel so natural that you probably did at least 2 today. Your brain processes information 60% slower than it should. And here's the shocking truth why. Guys, write in the comments where you're watching us from. And hit like if you want to discover the most unexpected revelation. Meet Sarah, a brilliant marketing executive who suddenly couldn't remember client names during important meetings. She blamed stress, but the real culprit was hiding in her morning routine. Habit number 1 is multitasking, the productivity myth that's literally rewiring your neural pathways for failure. When you switch between tasks, your brain doesn't actually multitask. It rapidly shifts focus repeatedly. Each switch costs you precious mental energy and creates what neuroscientists call switching penalty. Research from Stanford University proves multitaskers perform worse on every cognitive measure than focused individuals. Your attention span literally shrinks like a muscle that's never exercised properly. The second brain-killing habit is consuming information without processing it deeply. We live in an era where surface-level consumption has replaced deep thinking entirely. Your brain becomes like a sieve. Everything passes through, but nothing meaningful stays behind. Social media platforms deliberately design features to keep you in this shallow consumption mode. The dopamine hits from likes and comments actually weaken your ability to focus on complex problems. Dr. Michael Posner's groundbreaking research shows that our attention networks physically change when overstimulated. Habit 3 will surprise you. It's sleeping with your phone nearby, even when it's silent. Your subconscious mind knows that device contains infinite distractions, keeping your brain in hypervigilant mode. Sleep quality determines how effectively your brain consolidates memories and clears metabolic waste. Even airplane mode isn't enough. The mere presence triggers what researchers call anticipatory anxiety. Students who sleep phone-free score 23% higher on cognitive tests the next day. The fourth habit is eating processed foods that literally fog your thinking capacity. Ultra-processed foods spike blood sugar so dramatically that your brain enters survival mode instead of thinking mode. Sugar crashes don't just make you tired, they temporarily reduce your IQ by up to 15 points. The gut-brain connection means that industrial chemicals in processed foods directly impact neural function. Dr. David Perlmutter's research reveals how artificial additives create inflammation that slows cognitive processing. People who eliminate processed foods report mental clarity improvements within just 72 hours. But here's the hope. Your brain possesses incredible neuroplasticity and can recover faster than you imagine. Neuroplasticity means you can literally rewire your thinking patterns in as little as 2 weeks. Tom, a software engineer, reversed years of mental fog by changing just these 4 habits. He started with single tasking sessions, gradually building his attention muscle like training for a marathon. Deep reading replaced mindless scrolling. 15 minutes daily of complex material transformed his analytical abilities. Phone-free sleeping immediately improved his REM cycles and memory consolidation processes. Whole foods diet stabilized his blood sugar and eliminated the afternoon brain crash entirely. Within 30 days, Tom's processing speed increased by 40%, according to cognitive assessments. His colleagues noticed he solved complex problems faster and remembered details others missed completely. The transformation wasn't just professional. His relationships improved because he could be fully present during conversations. Your brain craves the same optimization, but you must choose focused attention over scattered distraction. Modern life defaults to brain-damaging habits, so conscious effort is required to maintain peak mental performance. Start with one habit today. Your future self will thank you for reclaiming your cognitive birthright. Which habit will you eliminate first? Share your commitment in the comments and inspire others to join this cognitive revolution.